Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to practice English together. And today's topic is very simple, my daily routine. In this video, I will tell you about my daily routine in slow and easy English. So, if you are a beginner, don't worry. Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences after me. This will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. So, let's get started. Sunrise, my morning routine. I usually wake up early in the morning. I wake up at around 6 o'clock. When I wake up, the first thing I do is check the time. Then I get out of bed. I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning makes me feel fresh. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower. After taking a shower, I get dressed. I comb my hair and get ready for the day. Sometimes, I look at myself in the mirror and say, "Today is going to be a good day." It gives me a positive start to my morning. Hot beverage breakfast time. After getting ready, I have my breakfast. I usually eat a simple breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat something different. And of course, I like to have a cup of tea. While having breakfast, I sometimes check my phone. I read my messages and see what's happening. But I try not to spend too much time on my phone in the morning. After breakfast, I prepare for my day. I check whether I have everything I need. My phone, my wallet, my keys, and other important things. Then I leave home. Sun my day. During the day, I stay busy with my work and other activities. I try to finish my important tasks first. Whenever I have a lot of work, I make a small list. It helps me remember what I need to do. Sometimes my day is very busy. And sometimes it is quite relaxed. When I get some free time, I like to practice English. I learn new words. I practice speaking. And sometimes, I listen to English videos or podcasts. I believe that learning English every day is better than studying for many hours only once a week. Even 20 or 30 minutes every day can make a big difference. Curry rice afternoon routine. Around lunchtime, I take a break. I usually have lunch in the afternoon. I eat my food and relax for a few minutes. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy. I think many people feel sleepy after lunch. But I try not to sleep for too long. If I have work to do, I continue with my work. In the afternoon, I usually have another cup of tea. Tea gives me a little energy. Then, I continue my daily activities. Sunset evening routine. In the evening, I finally get some free time. This is one of my favorite parts of the day. Sometimes I go outside for a walk. Walking helps me relax. Sometimes I meet my friends. We talk about our day and spend some time together. But sometimes, I simply stay at home. I use my phone, watch YouTube, listen to music, or learn something new. I also try to spend some time practicing English. For example, I choose a simple topic and speak about it for 2 or 3 minutes. I may talk about my family, my day, my hobbies, or my plans for tomorrow. This is a very simple way to improve speaking. And you can do it too. Crescent moon night routine. At night, I have dinner. After dinner, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch videos. Sometimes I talk to my family. Before going to bed, I think about my day. I ask myself, what did I do today? What did I learn today? And what do I need to do tomorrow? Then I prepare for the next day. I set my alarm. I put my phone aside. And finally, I go to bed. I usually try to sleep on time, because good sleep is very important. And that's how my day ends. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. I am going to ask you some simple questions. Try to answer them in English. Ready? What time do you wake up? You can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Next question. What do you do after waking up? You can say, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next. What do you usually have for breakfast? You can say, I usually have eggs and bread for breakfast. Next question. What do you do in the evening? You can say, I go for a walk in the evening. And the last question. What time do you go to bed? You can say, I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. Excellent. You can change these answers according to your own daily routine. Repeat them. Try to understand them. And tomorrow, use them in your real life. That's how you turn listening into practice. That's how you turn practice into confidence. And that's how you slowly improve your English. Now, I want you to do one more thing before you finish this video. Close your eyes for a moment and listen to these sentences. I can learn English. I can speak English. I don't need to be perfect. I can make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. I am getting better every day. I will speak English with confidence. I believe in myself. Now repeat them one more time, but this time don't just repeat the words. Say them with confidence. I can learn English. I can speak English. I don't need to be perfect. I can make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. I will keep practicing. I will not give up. I am getting better every day. I will speak English with confidence. I believe in myself. Remember, your English journey is not about becoming perfect in one day. It is about taking one small step every day. Maybe today, you understand only a few sentences. That's okay. Maybe today, you are afraid to speak. That's okay too. You can start with one sentence. Then another sentence. Then another. Every sentence you speak makes you a little more comfortable. Every word you learn gives you another way to express yourself. Every mistake you make teaches you something new. So don't compare your English with someone else's English. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on yourself. Focus on your progress. If you were afraid to speak last month and today you can speak 5 sentences, that's progress. If you couldn't understand a simple conversation before and now you can understand it, that's progress. If you used to translate everything and now you can understand some English directly, that's progress. Be proud of those small steps. They may look small, but they are taking you somewhere. And when you practice before sleeping, don't make it stressful. You don't need to sit with a notebook for hours. Just relax. Listen to simple English. Repeat some sentences. Enjoy the sound of the language. Let English become something familiar to you. Then during the day, use what you learned. That's the real secret. Night listening can support your learning, but your daily practice is what builds your speaking ability. So listen at night, practice during the day, and keep doing it again and again. You will not see a huge change overnight, but if you stay consistent, you will see a difference over time. One day, you will speak a sentence without thinking too much. Then another. And one day, you will have a full conversation and realize that English doesn't feel as difficult as it used to. That moment will come, but you have to keep going until you reach it. So tonight, give yourself a few minutes. Put your phone away from distractions. Listen to simple English. Repeat what you hear. Speak slowly. And then go to sleep, knowing that you took one more step toward your goal. Tomorrow, wake up and continue. Don't stop. Don't give up. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Your English can improve. Your speaking can improve. Your confidence can improve. You just have to keep practicing. So, can you learn English while sleeping? Sleeping alone will not make you fluent. But you can use your bedtime as a small part of your English learning routine. Listen at night. Practice during the day. Keep your English simple. Keep speaking. Keep learning. And most importantly, believe that you can improve. You don't need to become perfect tonight. You just need to start tonight. Good night, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.